Hello guys, remember Saturdays are for smoothies. Beautiful viewers, you are all welcome back to another episode of Smoothie Saturday. My name is Jennifer. If today is your first time of watching my video, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to click on the red subscribe button below to get subscribed, and also on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And as for the old subscribers that keep coming by, thank you for your support. I really appreciate. God bless you all. So guys, in today's episode, we'll be making almond smoothie with banana. So stay tuned, do not go away. Let's get started. So guys, for this smoothie, I will be using some dates. As we all know, dates are very rich in iron and is also good for weight loss. I will also be adding 1 banana to it. And of course, I will be using unsweetened almond milk. I will also be adding 2 tablespoons of honey to it. So guys, stay tuned. Let's get started. So guys, I will start by cutting the banana into small pieces. And when I'm done cutting the banana, I will set it aside and then cut the dates into small pieces too. As you can see, I'm using just 8 dates for this smoothie. So guys, when I'm done cutting the dates, I will put both the dates and the banana into the blender and then add 300 ml of almond milk and 2 tablespoons of honey. And then blend everything together for 20 seconds. Ready, and let's taste it. Oh my god. This tastes so great. Like, you need to try this. You need to try it. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to drop a comment down in the comment section. I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you all.